Welcome to Top Cars TV. It's where speed meets power, and every car tells a story. Here you'll get the hottest car reviews, the latest tech updates, and everything that makes car lovers excited. So fasten your seatbelt, because the ride is about to get epic. This is Top Cars TV, your world of cars. The 2026 GMC Hummer EV is set to be one of the most talked about electric vehicles in the automotive world, combining futuristic technology with the rugged DNA that the Hummer name has always been known for. As GMC continues to expand its electric lineup, the new Hummer EV isn't just another electric truck, it's a bold statement that blends off-road dominance with luxury and cutting-edge innovation. From its bumper design to its interior, the Hummer EV is designed to grab attention while delivering on performance and comfort. The bumper of the 2026 GMC Hummer EV has been designed with a balance of style and functionality. Its aggressive stance, bold lines, and futuristic LED signature lighting make it instantly recognizable. The front bumper integrates skid plates and sensors for off-road protection, showing that this EV is not just about looks but also about rugged capability. The rear bumper follows the same approach, blending a modern design with practicality, including tow hooks and advanced camera systems for parking and trailering assistance. Inside the Hummer EV, the interior is where luxury meets technology. The cabin feels more like a high-tech lounge than a traditional pickup, with premium materials, spacious seating, and an intuitive layout. A massive infotainment screen sits at the center, paired with a fully digital driver's display that gives real-time data on battery performance, terrain mode, and navigation. GMC has included special features like infinity roof panels that can be removed for an open-air driving experience, creating a unique connection between driver, passengers, and the outdoors. The seats are designed for long drives as well as rugged adventures, offering both comfort and durability. Small details, like unique stitching patterns and customizable ambient lighting, make the interior of the Hummer EV stand out from anything else in its class. At the back, the Hummer EV provides both practicality and innovation. The cargo bed is versatile and ready for work or play, with multiple tie-down points and a power-operated multi-pro tailgate that offers 6 different configurations. For outdoor enthusiasts, this makes loading gear like bikes, camping equipment, or even heavy tools easy and efficient. The rear also houses advanced lighting and camera features, ensuring visibility and safety in all conditions. When it comes to price, the 2026 GMC Hummer EV is expected to carry a premium tag, reflecting both its luxury features and advanced electric powertrain. While GMC has not yet released the final pricing, industry expectations suggest it will start around $90,000, with higher trims potentially crossing 6 figures. This positions it in the luxury EVtruck segment, directly competing with vehicles like the Tesla Cybertruck and Rivian R1T, but offering the added edge of Hummer's legendary off-road capability. The official launch of the 2026 Hummer EV is expected to create significant buzz in the automotive market. GMC is planning a grand reveal, showcasing its cutting-edge Ultium battery platform that promises incredible range, fast charging, and unmatched torque. With features like crabwalk, allowing diagonal movement, extract mode, raising suspension for tough terrain, and a super-fast acceleration time of around 3 seconds from 0 to 60 miles per hour. The launch of this vehicle will mark a new era for electric trucks. The 2026 GMC Hummer EV is more than just a vehicle, it's a powerful symbol of where the future of driving is headed.